go defensive, though, as he just closes down. Oh, easy move in the end for the number 3. Febvre controls the inside. Guadagnini bites back, but again, is going to be on the wrong side in the next left-hander. But then Febvre cuts to the inside, gets good drive, but not enough, and Guadagnini goes back through. Got caught here, a lap ago by Koldenhoff, did Guadagnini. Got on the podium here in MX2 last year. Doesn't look comfortable in this MXGP qualifying race, though, as Febvre goes through. And so too does Jonas. Oh! See what it's like when you get it wrong. Guadagnini was brave to even attempt. Watch this here, doesn't get the drive or the distance. Oh.